Today, we're testing the spring arm. Alright, I got about a 50% solution for my swinging problem. So I put this bar here to stop it from going backwards. And I put this to stop it here. It's in the horizontal. But still have the problem when it's transitioning between those positions. It'll swing. Swings free. I don't know a way to stop that. Unless I had a piston that would let it swing freely without coming backwards. But we'll try this out and see how it works. Put this lanyard on there in case something in this system fails. That way it's at least hooked there and it won't fall into whatever, down over a cliff, into a river, whatever I'm doing. So let's check it out. Alright, we're testing our tension spring arms here in the wild. So we're at the Saunders Springs Nature Preserve. We check out the water features, etc. So let's see if these arms really work. Alright, here's just a normal walking shot with my homemade rig. So I told you I was checking out on the internet some of these spring arms. I said they're mostly average around $100. Cheapest one about $30. Right after I said that, I was looking. This one, $18. $18 on Alibaba. So what you see here, this one has a piston. Spring, a piston inside a spring, just like a shock absorber. So we'll see how this compares to my homemade rig. This is a walking shot with our store-bought rig. So I don't know. I still don't think it does what I want it to do. I don't see a whole lot of difference between just walking around holding the camera with a handle as opposed to one of these. I don't know what it is, but I think what the solution is going to be is expensive. I think to get that really smooth shot, you're gonna have to buy one of those electronic gyro gimbals. So we'll keep looking, and if I come up with any more solutions, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.